Hello everyone, welcome to my channel A Peek into Anjum's Life, and I am Anjum. First of all, there is a token of thanks to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my world and I love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. Keep showering your love. So today we are going to discuss some quick rescue to all your problems. Actually, not all, but almost all your problems which we suffer as a girl. So this is a face mask which I'm going to share with you all, and it's a really simple and easy face mask to be used and applied on your face. And why I'm sharing this face mask, because it's really good and loaded with so many benefits that I will tell you in this video. So keep watching this video and let's get started. So guys, this face mask comprises of only two ingredients, and that's lemon and honey. And we all know about this face mask in this world, like it's a worldwide famous face mask, but the problem is we don't follow it in our day-to-day routine. So with the help of this video, I would like to motivate all of you so that you can add this mask in your daily routine, and it's going to help you a lot. So honey and lemon both are really known for their antibacterial and antifungal properties. We all know honey on the one hand is antibacterial, it kills germs and bacteria on our face. It is good in fighting acne, and it is used as an anti-aging mask as well. On the other hand, lemon is antibacterial, antifungal again. It helps fights acne, it removes your blackheads, and it also helps to remove your dead skin. So when we'll add both these ingredients, it will create a really good face mask which will be helpful to so many skin problems of yours, like you can fight acne, you can fight pimples, there will be no dead skin, it will help create glow. Not only this face mask has certain other benefits. It is helpful for your hairs, it is helpful for your body, it helps treat your cold and cough, your flu. Honey and lemon both are used as a home remedies in cold and cough. You can use it for your digestion problems. You can just add 1 tablespoon of honey and squeeze half a lemon in lukewarm water. You can drink it empty stomach every morning, and it will help you fight those digestion problems. On the other hand, it will also help to get rid of your that belly fat and your obesity. So it is that much helpful. It works on your body, skin, hair, everywhere, so you can use it in any way. It is such an easy and simple mask. Guys, I know in today's world everyone is so busy that they have money to spend on those products and just want a quick rescue and don't want to make their own natural product and use it. But trust me, this is something really easy and simple, and on the other hand it is really helpful. So use it anywhere, on your hair, on your body, on your skin, and you will surely get the results. But please be regular with this, because until unless you will be regular, you will see no results. So you have to be regular. I have started using it a couple of weeks before, so I'm very happy and I will continue use it. Okay, so now I will tell you how to make it and how to apply on your face and everything about it. So let's begin.
To make this mask, we need honey, lemon, and a bowl. So in this bowl, I will add 1 tablespoon of honey. I will take a little more to make it complete 1 tablespoon, and half a tablespoon of lemon. As you can see, I have taken a very small piece of lemon. So I will squeeze all this lemon into this bowl, and then I will mix it together. And yes, your face mask is ready. So you can see guys, it's really simple, and these two ingredients will be easily available in your kitchen. Now let's see how to apply. Let's see the application. So I will dip my fingers and I will apply it all over my face. Just spread this mask thoroughly on your face to cover all the area, your cheeks, your nose, eyes, under eyes, forehead. Don't forget to cover your neck as well. I use this mask every alternate day before going to bath. I apply it, wait for 20 minutes. 15 minutes will also do, and you can just wash your face. Don't use that face wash or soap on your face after this. You just need to wash your face with plain water. That's it. Guys, this mask has lots of benefits. It's really helpful. It will create a glow to your face. It will remove your blackheads. It will help fight acne. If it will not remove it completely, then I'm sure it is going to light down the acne and minimize those acne and blackheads. It enhances your complexion as well. It's so moisturizing, it's soothing. Honey is very good in moisturization. Lemon helps to avoid oily skin. If people out there have oily skin, you can use it every day to get rid of the oil on your skin. You can use it as a tightening mask also. See, I have applied it thoroughly on my face and it is done. Now I'll go and wash my face. So I have washed my face and I can feel it's clear and soft, and I'm really happy to give my face this little pampering. Yay!
So guys, I hope you all have understood the benefits of this mask, and I'm sure you are going to add it in your daily routine to get the best results. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please like this video, share it with your friends, comment if there is any query, any doubt, or you just want to thank me or anything, and please subscribe to my channel. That is all. Take care. Bye bye.